it's Rachel, and today I am back with a video that I'm very excited to film. I've got an unboxing video. It's been a while since I've done a planner unboxing. I've been very restrained and not bought any new planners for a while, mainly because I've been really happy with what I have got. But you will know that recently I started to journal, and this is my A6 journal from, this is Astrology, and I've got a Lauren Phelps design cover on it. And I didn't know if I was going to like journaling, but I really ended up getting into it, and so I decided to treat myself to a cover. Couldn't decide what I wanted for it. A6 is a weird size for me. It's smaller than I would be willing to plan in properly, as in functionally planning, but it seems to be the perfect fit for me for journaling. So I was scouring the internet and scouring Etsy, and I came across a shop called Elrohir Leather. I checked out their Instagram, I had a look on their Etsy listings, and I decided to go ahead and order a cover. Now there was a few ways that you could do this. There are some ready to ship planners that are already made and that they are just selling via their Facebook page. They have an Etsy shop which has listings on it, so the actual designs are already designs that they've done before, but the things are not pre-made, they are made to order. Or you could go for a custom listing, and I kind of did like a hybrid of between the two. So I found two designs that she already had that I really liked, and sort of wanted them put together, kind of like. I'll explain a bit more when I go into it. So I have cut open the envelope and I've just covered the addresses on it, but I have not looked at it. I'm super duper excited. So I'm going to try and find the listings for the ones that I was interested in. I'll try and pop them up on the screen in a bit so that you can kind of see where I went, but I'm so excited to get this out, so let's do this. Trust the dog to bark at the wrong moment. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'll try and put the pictures in here of what I was going for. Basically, I wanted the design from one of them and then a bit of a change in colourway. Oh my god, it's so perfect. So I didn't specifically say I want it exactly like this, I want exactly this colour, I want this, that. I basically said I like this and I like this, but you're the expert, you kind of go with it. So I didn't specify what colours that I wanted the stars, but I'm really pleased that she's gone with gold. And actually, if I'd have asked for this, I probably would have said silver, because I think I did ask for a silver moon. But I'm glad that they're gold. And again, the same with the colourway on the flowers. I think these are a different colourway to what was on the listing, but they go perfectly with the background. So I don't know if you can see, but it's like a metallic pink with sort of a mint middle. Oh, I love that. And what I asked for is the design that they had much more foliage on it and a lot less stars. And I said, can I have less foliage and more stars, but not really overcrowded? And this was really blue. And I said, can I have it with more pinks and purples in? And I think that she has encapsulated that beautifully. I didn't specify what colour stitching I wanted, I didn't specify what colour elastics that I wanted, I let her choose, and I think they are perfect. Oh, I love it so much. It smells like really, I know I shouldn't say nice, because it's like it smells like acrylic paint and leather, which is, I'm sure, not healthy for me to sniff. But it smells so good. I'm so chuffed with this. I am so happy with the colourway. It's always a risk when you get a custom made item, so even if somebody else orders the exact same thing that I've got, this is handmade and there is no way on this planet that it would be exactly the same. And I love that, because I love being able to have a custom item that is just mine, that nobody else can have. I feel like she's got the colours absolutely perfect. The way that like the paint stroke goes across here, it's almost looking like it's reflected in water. And then I suppose you could say that these were like mountains. I love it. Oh, I love it so much. So what I asked for was no strings inside, because it's for my Astrology, and it wasn't supposed to have a pocket on this side like this. It had like a secretarial, and I said I don't want that, I don't like secretarial pockets. So she's done this for me, which is fine. This is not a pocket to slip in. Now, something that I didn't specify is that I did say that I wanted my Astrology to be able to slip into the cover. I didn't say that I wanted it to slip in with the Lauren Phelps design cover on, so I don't know if it's going to. If it does, that's a bonus. If it doesn't, I'm not going to cry about it, because I didn't ask it to. But let's see if we can get this in here. I'm so excited. I think this is going to go in with the cover on, actually. Okay, so I've got that in. I just have to go off camera for a minute. I got it in by just using my hand and sliding it in. I managed to get it in. It was much easier to do off camera, but look at that. So these vinyls I made myself, and I chose a pink holographic, which I think was the perfect choice to go with this. And I love how we've even got some of the design on the inside. So that is the sort of emblem of the shop, Elrohir Leather. They're all like stamped and embossed in. Can you see that? And so are the flowers. And so is the moon. And it's just so, I just want to touch it, you know? It's so tactile. I'm just quiet because I've got no words. I'm just almost like encapsulated by it. You've never known me this quiet, have you? I love this so much. So just to give you a little bit of reference, the price that I paid for this, I think was £60. I can't quite remember if it was an extra £5 to, because it had to be widened slightly. So this was actually an A6, oh, the listing was for an A6TN, but I've wanted it as a cover. So I think she said I can just make it a bit taller. So I'm unsure, I can't remember. I'll try and pop it up if I can find the information. I might have paid an extra £5 for that. And for having a full pocket on here, I can't quite remember, but I'll try and give you the proper details. I'll list the Etsy shop below as well, and make sure you join their Facebook page, because I have noticed that she does do some ready to ship items. This, guys, this is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm trying to shield you from the glare over on the other side. So let's fold it then. I think what I am going to do, I'm just going to cut these down a little bit. For now, I'll just tuck them in there. So it's quite a stiff leather. Oh, I love it. I couldn't love it more, honestly. I couldn't love it more. I just feel like this is me, you know? This is just me in a planner. I love it so much. So this is not going to end up being a chunky planner, I don't think, because my my journal doesn't end up with a load of sticker kits in. But this will, over time, get a bit more flexible. Obviously, this is just a brand new piece of leather that I'm now just working with. When I finished, like chucking it in my planner bag or taking it around. I think I'm going to carry it in my handbag with me. And there's a cafe near where Paige goes to school. Sometimes I go and sit in there after school run and have a coffee. So, yeah, it's just going to end up looking all loved and used and just even more beautiful. I can't believe how beautiful this is. Guys, it's absolutely stunning. There's always a worry for me with handmade items that you can buy, because it's just totally dependent on the person's skill, and also no two people think the same. So as much as I say to her, I really want this colourway and I really want a bit of this design with a bit of this design, but like this, do you know what I mean? And she can say, well, yeah, I know what you mean, but in her head she's seeing something completely different. But it's just, she just has perfectly captured exactly what I asked for, and I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy with it. I've got a horrible feeling that this isn't going to be the last time I drop money with this shop. Anyway, I was so excited, and I didn't tell you what was in here, but we've just got a handwritten letter here that says, I hope it is, oh, here it is, hope you love it. And that is the shop owner's signature there that I cannot read. I'm not sure what that says there. Oh, I love it. I just love it. And then we've got this here, which is another little... Is this handwritten? I feel like this might be handwritten. Or at the very least, it has been handwritten originally and then popped in. That's so pretty. Thank you for choosing one of our notebooks. We love them and we hope you do too. And then it's just some care instructions and then a couple of journaling tips at the bottom there. Embrace your mistakes. Sometimes a page will look fabulous. Sometimes it will be an accident on a PP paper factory. Laugh more on another page another day. So I think that's an on-purpose accident, like, because they're talking about accidents. Your book, your rules, go do it. I love that. That's what I say all the time. I've lost count of how many times on this channel I've just said, it's your planner, do what you want. I'm going to do what I want. I love this so much. I am so happy with this. There's not much more to say, and I want to get off camera and just drool over this planner a little bit more. But yeah, do go and check out Elrohir Leather. I'm so happy with this. It's absolutely gorgeous. This piece of leather as well feels beautiful. I love this so much. Oh guys, I'm so happy with this. I'm gonna have to go because I could just talk about this all day now. But yeah, anyway, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you do go and check the shop out. Yeah, and this is not going to be the last time you see me buy something from Elrohir Leather, I'm sure. With that being said, I am going to get out of here and go and admire my planner. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye!